Hi everyone, welcome to Book Cooking, a cooking show where we take on the fun world of cookbooks. Today we are working from the Unofficial Harry Potter Cookbook. Inside you will find your favorite wizarding foods from pies to roast. For today's recipe, I have decided to choose Miss Weasley's Any Nut Brittle.
Time for some ingredients. We're going to need 1 cup of sugar, a half cup of syrup, 1/4 cups of water, 1.5 cups of nuts, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 stick of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. We'll also need cooking spray, a candy thermometer, a baking sheet, and a long piece of parchment paper. Now you want to grab your baking sheet, parchment paper, and cooking spray. You're going to spray down your baking sheet and place your parchment paper on top and just smooth out the bottom. Now you're going to grab your sugar, syrup, water, and salt and put it into your medium-size pot. Take that pot and put it onto the stove on medium heat, and we are going to make sure that we mix everything all together. Don't forget to put on your candy thermometer so you can see how hot your sugar mixture is getting. So now we have let it simmer for a little bit and the temperature has reached 280 degrees. So we're going to add our butter and our nuts. Make sure you are frequently stirring all of this mixture together and making sure that nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot. Alright guys, our mixture has reached 300 degrees, so we're going to pull it off of the stove and we're going to add in our baking soda and vanilla. Keep in mind that the baking soda will make it very bubbly. That is a good thing. It's going to add that airy texture into your brittle. Once you are done mixing, you're going to pour it onto our baking pan. Now it is much easier with more than one person, so somebody can hold the pot and you can just scrape the mixture out onto the pan. You're just going to spread it gently across the pan to make your own creative shape. Now it's time to release that anger we've built up from kids or whatever is going on in our lives. You're going to take a piece of parchment paper and a rolling pin or a mallet, whatever you want, and you're going to put that parchment paper on top and you're just going to whack until you can whack no more.
Looks really good. It's nice and broken up, so you want giant chunks kind of broken up, and then you can just kind of go in and you can just like, oh, so good. Oh, that's so pretty. And then if you can see that. So I really like the almond. Now you can choose whatever nut, that's why it's called Any Nut. But I really like the almond. I like the vanilla that we added in there. It has a really good crunch. All in all, I'd say it was a good brittle. Job well done. That's a wrap for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget that our cookbook today was the Unofficial Harry Potter Cookbook. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!